Vehicular movement remained disrupted as Rongmei Naga Council Manipur RNCM continues its indefinite bandh along Imphal-Ziribam National Highway No. 37 and its adjoining roads. The bandh has not only created inconveniences to commuters but also created panic among people in the state as carrying trucks including those fuel tankers have been disrupted. Bandh supporters have blocked the road at Kaithalmanbi, Charoi, Pangdol, Karam Lamkhai by spreading logs and stones. At Tongjil Maril, road bandh supporters are blocking movement of vehicles at Laimaton and Ngariyan, whereas at Laimatak Loktak Project Road, people are blocking the road at Awang Bazar and Mazuro Lamkhai. The RNCM has been demanding redemarcation of district boundaries by merging villages of 5 tribes and sub-tribes, which are currently under Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district with Noney district. RNCM maintained that Naga communities in these 2 districts faces various difficulties ranging from communication issues, marginalization, disparity in distribution of government benefits under various schemes. RNCM is demanding an alternative arrangement for administrative convenience and as well as for the welfare of these Naga tribes in Kangpokpi and Churachandpur districts. Meanwhile, various trucks including 100 petroleum-carrying trucks are stranded at Noney police checkposts and other areas of National Highway 37 due to the ongoing bandh as well as due to landslip at Awangkhul.